guess the rain seems to be slowing down. Milo, are you okay? Is there anything else I can do?
I don't know what it'd be.
Is this all your stuff?
My brother's. We were storing it over at my dad's place until, you know.
Sorry, man. Your family's had some pretty rotten luck. Oh. This is cool.
My brother used to love this thing.
What is it?
It's a Viewmaster. It's like VR before there was VR. Put this little disc in the top and takes you away to a little 3D world. Man, he used to get sucked in here for hours.
What's up, man?
Can you look through this and tell me what you see?
Holy crap.
You see?
Your description did not do this justice.
Tell me what you see.
It's like I'm staring right into the Grand Canyon. But like in 3D. Kinda. It's cool. You gonna be alright, pal?
I hope so. You know, you'll never believe this, but when I looked through here just a second ago, I saw this Harvey? What's wrong?